we've gotten a few questions recently about how we plan to use the space, and we thought we'd talk a little bit about the challenges and the directions that we plan to go today.
Yeah, so like I said, we moved on from that into a bigger space. So we've now framed it up, as you can tell around us. We're kind of standing in what will be a dining area of the space with the 3 windows behind us, a buffet that will run the length of the space here, and then a kitchen table. Over here closer to the pool side, Ashley is going to have a little art studio area for her. And then we've got an armoire that'll go over in this other corner. Then we'll have lots of towels and other fun things too.
Yes, storage is pivotal here. It's important for us, and we're excited about that. We also have some built-in bookshelves going on each end with some cabinets on the bottom.
Yeah, I guess one thing I failed to mention too is that the buffet will be able to be raised up and store all kind of stuff in there, which, as Ash said, is something we desperately need around here as well. So tutorials coming on all that stuff, so be sure to check those out so you can adapt them to your home.
On this other side, we're really thrilled that it'll be kind of our sitting area. So if that's our dining area and studio area over here, this will be our sitting area.
We've picked out some amazing stuff. We're excited to be partnering with La-Z-Boy again, and we will have one of their sofas in here with a couple of chairs as well that will recline. TV behind us. I know I'll be using it a lot.
I'm gonna have to pry you out of here to get you to do some things around the house after this.
Yeah, problem.
No more honey-do lists for you.
Yeah, no, for the boys now, they will do it all.
So it'll be hidden TV again with the fireplace, which we're thrilled about, and I'm the most excited about a hanging bed, which we will place right here. We plan to build one, and we cannot wait to show you guys the tutorial and our plans coming up.
And we absolutely love these double doors. They're 5 feet wide, so they give us a lot of space to just kind of walk around the pool with this beautiful seaworthy blue on this front side. And in the back, we went with an Adley gray. And they're able to do this in the factory, so the paint is stronger and better than if you were to have your painter do it. So just some great doors from Window World, full glass, we can just see straight out, and we absolutely love these things.
And we're so excited because our windows just came in.
Which we absolutely love. They match the rest of our house. They block out sunlight and heat, so it keeps the space cooler, and even to the touch, it's hot. So you can see a lot of that on some of our old posts as well.
I'm thrilled about that because it will actually protect all of our furniture that we put in here. We wanted a real addition that didn't feel like a sunroom, but also lets in a lot of light.
So we love these because they're also double hung windows, which means you can open them from the top and the bottom to kind of let breezes in, or if you have little ones, you can kind of just open the top a little bit to let it in. And they have the stop latches on them, which is a great feature for your first floor windows. It prevents the window from going all the way up and just gives it enough for a breeze to come through. So this is kind of where we've probably gotten the most questions from our friends and relatives and neighbors and everybody about this. As Ashley calls it, abandoned business set lot thingy up here. But it's where the actual new framing ties into the old roof line. And it does look very awkward right now, but the soffit will be cut back hopefully this weekend. It'll be flush with the brick wall, and then we will just frame straight up from there. So it'll just seem like one seamless wall.
It won't look like an abandoned set anymore, and we do plan to fill in a lot of skinny lap up here for a nice, simple textured finish to blend in nicely with the brick. And we can't wait to show you how that is all going to work together.
So stay tuned for all the developments. We'll have more coming along, and as we go, we'll have tutorials for everything from built-in to hanging bed to tile and anything else we tackle along the way.